In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter in Protonmail. Protonmail lets you automate repetitive email tasks, which is especially helpful if you regularly sort messages into folders, apply labels, archive certain emails, or mark them as read. To set this up, you'll need to use Protonmail in a desktop web browser, since custom filters are managed through the web app settings. Start by opening Protonmail in your browser and signing in to your account. Once you're on your mail dashboard, go to the top right corner and click the gear icon for settings. From there, choose All Settings. In the left sidebar, find the Protonmail section, then click Filters. Scroll until you see the Custom Filters area, and then click Add Filter to begin. A setup window will appear on screen. In the name field, type a clear and descriptive name for your filter. It's a good idea to choose something that helps you recognize the rule later, especially if you plan to create multiple filters over time. After entering the name, click Next. Now it's time to define the conditions that will trigger the filter. First, choose whether the message must match all of your conditions or just any one of them. This is important because it determines how strict the rule will be. Next, use the first dropdown to choose what part of the email you want to filter by, such as the sender, recipient, subject, or whether the email has attachments. Then choose the matching logic like contains, is exactly, or begins with. After that, enter the text or value you want Protonmail to look for and confirm it. If needed, you can add more conditions to make the filter more specific. Once your conditions are set, click Next. In the next section, choose what should happen when an email matches your filter. You can enable, move to, and select a folder, or create a new folder if necessary. You can also apply labels by selecting an existing label or creating a new one. If you want, you can also set the email to be marked as read, starred, or archived automatically. When you're happy with the actions, click Next. You'll then see a preview of the filter showing the conditions and actions together. Take a moment to review everything carefully so the rule behaves exactly the way you want. If it looks good, click Save. There's also a faster shortcut you can use from your inbox. Open an email, manually move it to a folder or apply a label, and if Protonmail shows the option to always move or always label emails from that sender, you can check that box to instantly create a rule without going into the full settings menu. And that's how to create a filter in Protonmail.